Hello, welcome to Career Strategist. We are discussing question paper of Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2022, and this is a part 2. I hope you have already watched part 1, and let us discuss this part in which we are going to discuss several questions from mental ability. So let us discuss them one by one. The question is given here that X and Y runs 3 km race along a circular course of length 300 meter. Their speeds are 3:2, and they are running in the same direction. They are running in the same direction. How many times would the first one pass the other? A start off is not counted for passing. So in that case, what will happen? We can analyze these questions. This is also a very good question. That one is moving on this circular orbit, right? And A is moving faster at the speed of 3xa, and B is followed by, this is the starting point with the speed 2x. So this is the velocity of, say, A, X and Y. So velocity of Y is equal to this, and velocity of X is this, 3x meter per second. You can say, or meter per second, whatever, 3x. Unit is not required here. So let after t seconds or t minutes they meet each other, right? If this is a meter per second, then this is also a meter per second. So let them meet after time t. So distance traveled by, because x is faster, so distance traveled by in t time is speed into time, and distance traveled by y is 2x is the speed and time is t, and they will meet if the faster one is one more cycle than the slower one. The faster one, that is x, which will cross y if he cover one more round as compared to x, at least one more round. So that is why the difference must be equal to 300. So in that case, xt is equal to 300. So t, first time they meet after interval of t is equal to 300 by x. This is the interval in which they will first interact. The total distance was first time they will meet after interval of this, and total distance of race was 300 meter, 3000 meter, right now. So number of times they will interact is, number of times, this is the interaction will be there. So x is faster, so maximum time x can take is, maximum time taken by x, time of x is equal to, total distance is 3000 divided by 3x, right? So that is 1000 by x. During this 1000 by x time, when x is in the run, x is running, he will interact 300 by x time in first time. So number of times is what? Number of times he will cross is during this time, that is 1000 by x divided by 300 by x. X and x cancels out. This is 1000 by 300, that is 10 by 3, which will be 10 by 3, that is 3.33. Person cannot meet 3.3 times. Do you meet someone 2.5 times? No, you cannot meet someone 2.5 times. You can either meet 2 times or 3 times. So similarly, this is 3.3 times. That is not possible. So 3 will be the exact number which will be the possibility. So answer is 3 of this number, this question. This is also a very good question, difficult one, not easy to analyze and not easy to do during the examination time, but most of you did it because we had discussed such questions during the classes, so definitely you did it. Now question number 16, the number of letters of English alphabet are reversed from each other and positions from a copy, then left plus right is 27. If letters are reversed, then position from left and right is 27 in English alphabet. Here the letters are 12, 21, 3, and K is 11, N is 14, O is 15, and this is 23. The counterpart of this is like now 12, and what is the other part? Means this is from left. What we have to write is the position from right. So position from right of L is 15, and 15 from that is what? Left plus right. If you write in reverse order, like A, B, C, D, C, this C, D till Z, and if you are writing this in reverse order, Z, Y, X, right? Z, Y, X, W, and like this A, then from the position from left and right will be 27. Position of any alphabet will be 27. So this is 1, this is 26, 27, this is 2, this is 25, 27, 3, and this is 24, 27, 4 and 23 is 27. Similarly 26 and 1 is 27. So 27, sum of alphabets must be 27. So this is at 12. So what will be the alphabet? 15 will be there, and 15 is dot. 15 make 27, there 6 make 27, and there will be 24 plus 3 is 27, 6 plus 1 is 27, 14 plus 13 is 27, 12 plus 15 plus 12 is 27, and 23 plus 4 is 27. 15th letter is O, this is F, 24th is X, 16 is P, 13 is M, L is 12 is L, and 4 is D. And this is the answer of this question. So answer of this question is D. So D will be answer of this question, right? I hope you got it. Because alphabets are written in reverse order, then the sum of positions of two consecutive alphabets at the same position, that is the first position, is 27. Similarly, at second position, their sum is 25 plus 2 is 27, and similarly that is applicable for all. It is written in reverse order. Written here in this question, you can observe this. This is written in reverse order. So after writing in reverse order, the sum of alphabets, position of alphabets from left and right will be 27. So here L will be, if you write in reverse order, the 12th letter will be O. Okay. So next question is there, and the question is, in a tournament chess having 150 entrants, a player is eliminated whenever he loses a match. It is given that no match results in a tie or draw. How many matches are played in entire tournament? So because it is a 150, right now, so entrants people are there. So first 70 people are divided into two groups of 75 each. 75 this, 75 this. 150 people can be divided into two groups, and 55 will play versus another 75. Definitely one of them will win and 75 will be eliminated, right? So out of 75 now, which is left at the second round, this is the first round, and second round, 37 and 37 can be divided into two groups. That will be 74, but one person is still left. So out of these 74 people, 37 matches is played, and that 37 will be eliminated. Remaining 37 plus 1 is 38 people are there, and then 19 matches will be played with another 19, and that 19 will be eliminated again, right? So here 19 persons are there, and 9 from each team are played, categorized, but one is still left. So this 9 will be eliminated again, and 9 matches out of these 9 matches, 9 people left out, and one is that makes 10. That 10 will be divided into group of 5, and 5 matches will be played. This 5 will be eliminated. Any 5, not only the last 5, any one of those two groups, one will be eliminated right now because they lose the game. And now 5 is left. Out of 5, category of 2 matches will be there, and one person is still left. This 2 will be eliminated. Now this 2 person and this 1 person is 3 person. Again 1 person versus 1 person can be game is there, and this person can be eliminated, but still one is left. This one and this one will be 2 person. in which one more game will be there, and finally this will be eliminated and one person he is the winner. So number of matches will be how much? This is a tricky one and it is not easy to analyze during the examination, right? So it is a very good question in fact, but I can say 75 matches first round, in second round 37, in third round 19 match, in fourth round 9 match, then 5 match, then 2 match, right now. So sum of all these is the number of matches. 9 match, then 5 match, again, then 2 match, and then 1 match, and then 1 match. So total is how much? Let me calculate. 75 plus, this is, let us count it, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 9 is 21, 21 plus 9 is 30, 35, 37, 39. 39 is there. 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 5, 9, 9, 18, 18, 18, 36, 37, 37, 74, 109. So this will be 149 and 149 will be answer of this question. Right now? So 149 will be, total matches will be 149 matches. I hope you got it. Here is another question. How many 3-digit natural numbers without repetition of digits are there such that each digit is odd and the number is divisible by 5? It means here we have to make a 3-digit number by one odd number, only odd digit. Digit is odd, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We have make a 3-digit number with the help of this, and therefore it is a 3-digit number. And since it is divisible by 5, so unit place digit must be 5. That is the only one way to do this. And 1 is already selected, so out of the 4, remaining 4, this place can be filled by any one of the 4, and out of remaining, any one of the remaining can be placed at this place at 3 ways. So 4 into 3, that is 12 ways. If it was not given that it is an odd number, then answer could be different. Then in that case 0 can be also there, but because it is given that each odd digit is odd, so answer will be 12 only. Otherwise answer could be 24 as well. But because it is an odd number is given, only odd digits are there, so it will be 12 only. So answer of that is 12. Now the next question is, consider the question of the two statements given. Is x an integer? X by 3 is not an integer. 3x is an integer. If x by 3 is not an integer, then you are not sure that whether x is integer or not. For example, even root 5 by 3 is not an integer, and therefore we can say x is integer, not this. So in that case we can say x is not an integer, because root 5 by 3 is not an integer. So in that case this x is not an integer. But 9 by 3 is an by 3, 10 by is 3, and therefore it is a 9 is an integer. So 10 by 3 is an 3 is an integer. 10 by 3 is not integer, but 10 is an integer. So it may or may not be. So it is not sure. Statement 1 is not sufficient to answer this question. It may or may not be, right now, depending upon that. That this is not integer. 10 by 3 is also not integer, but 10 is integer here. And here root 5 by 3 is not integer, then root 5 is not an integer. So it may be in or may not be, depending upon that. The second situation is 3x is an integer. If 3x is an integer, then x is integer. That is that possible? That 3x is integer. 3 into 5 by 3. X is 5 by 3. And after cancelling this is 5 is an integer. But so 3x is, if x I put 5 by 3, then integer, but x is not an integer. So 1 and 2 both are not sufficient to answer the question, and therefore answer of this question will be D. D will be answer. Both are not sufficient to answer this question, right? Now the next question is, the price of certain item is increased by 25% and then decreased by 20% and then increased by 10%, what is the resultant of this? So in that case, 10% increase, there are certain formulas by which percentage change is equal to, this is the formula that 20% increase 120 by 100, 25% increase. So I can write this, let us write 125 by 100, and then 20% decrease is 80 by 100, and then 10% decrease is what? 110 by 100. If the initial value is 100, say, then what will happen? 100 will changes by multiply by, if the initial value was 100, say 100, then 100 multiply by 125, this. So that is 125, this is 5 by 4, and that is 24 T, 4 by 5. So these 5 cancel, 4 cancel. So basically it is a 100 and 100 cancel. So 110. It means increment is 10% only. So answer is 10%. Simple logic, even without doing this, you can understand it. That first thing is, let's say initial value is 100, right? Initial is 100. After 25% increase, the new value is 25% increase, then new value will be 125, and then 20% decrease, it will be what? Decrease of 125, 20% decrease means 80 by 100, that is again 0 cancel, and 4, and this is 5, so 5 25 this, so 25 4 100 become, and now 10% increase is the finally 10% increase. So only thing is that the 10% increase in this question. So the next question is, so this is all in this video. Let us see in the next video after short while. So keep watching. Thank you very much for watching this.